PS-800 machine, JUKI new pattern simmer. Normally after power on, this machine need to check the language setting. So we'll start the machine. First power on, then it will become look like Chinese language. So we have to change the pattern. This machine started need to around 60 seconds because of so many pattern and program language, that's why. So first what we need to do, we have to press the home button, as everybody understand. Then there are 9 buttons, so we have to select the button number 6, then again number 6, then we can find the language, then we will select the English, Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese or any other Korean language also here. So we will expert in English, so we select English, then enter. It will be saved and everything translated for the English language. Okay, already done. You already see everything will be changed in English language. Now we have to check. The first is the pressing reset button, then machine going to the home position. If everything okay, means machine are okay. Okay, bye bye.